Alright guys, so we're going to do a quick video review on the Ultra Hip King non-smoking room here at Planet Hollywood in Vegas. Last minute trip, but just wanted to show you guys the room. So as you walk in, you have some artwork up here, closet area, a very nice restroom, bathtub, dual sinks, the toilet's in its own separate room. There's the other sink, and a nice big shower over there. And then walking in, you have the closet, the mirror, and you have ironing board, extra blanket, safe. It's really nice, extra long desk. And there's a refrigerator in there that you can use. It's empty, so you can stock all your stuff in there. And some really cool lamps and lighting. There's a TV, sitting area, a little chaise chair, table, and then the bed. Has some artwork. And that's an entire window back there. So you can open it from either side. We are on the 9th floor, so we didn't have the best of the view, but you can see Bellagio, Paris, Caesar's Palace, Cosmo. So overall, it's a nice room here at Planet Hollywood in Las Vegas.